You see the world differently. You are drawn to the most interesting problems. You appreciate the beauty of simple, elegant solutions. And you understand that the journey is just as important as the destination. But the development of successful products can be complex and challenging. Disruptions along the way make it difficult to get products out the door quickly, reducing your competitiveness and market share. You know that in the race to bring successful products to market, efficiency is essential. Efficiency that comes from early, clear decision-making. Efficiency supported by data. Efficiency delivered through workflows that improve communication and reduce errors. Even though shifts in the supply chain, customer demands, and competitive pressure introduce new challenges every day, you see a way to face it all head-on. Because you believe good design and good engineering can solve any problem. At Autodesk, so do we.